Hi, I'm Justin Trout, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Orthman Manufacturing. I get asked all the time, why does Orthman have a research farm? Well, the answer is very clear. All of our equipment, primarily in our nutrient placement line, it touches every input that a farmer deals with. Fertilizer, hybrid selection, whether it's in soybeans or corn, all the way down to irrigation, as well as his herbicides and even the gas that he consumes in his tractors. We deal with all the inputs, and all of our management practices with primarily our strip till machine deal with all those inputs. And what a better place to do it than on a research farm where we can work with those input partners to improve not only our products, but to get a good understanding of their products as it works within the strip till system. In 2020, we started working with numerous research partners on our research farm: Nutrien, Pioneer Hybrids, Surefire Ag, Acres, and of course Orthman's is our strip till machine that we use here on our research farm. It's critical that we understand how each other's products work within the strip till system. Thus, that's the reason why we have a research farm located here right outside of Polk, Nebraska. Gives us all a chance to evaluate the performance of our products and make better decisions to help educate our growers and our customers each and every year when they make their purchasing decisions. The Orthman strip till system is the basis behind this whole farm, and all of our partners, all of their input products, and how it works together to bring one of the most valued strip till systems on the market today.